This short video introduces you to the Maturity Assessment Framework and accompanying tool. The framework is made up of a number of different tabs that describe things like the maturity level, the areas of interest or assessment, the dimensions of the different areas, and the components of each of those dimensions in some level of detail, with subcomponents described. We have provided you with some digital as well as printable tools to enable an assessment to take place. The digital tool allows you to go through each of the components and their subcomponent descriptions and choose where you think you are in your context, as well as write some comments alongside. The printout versions are available in A3 or A4 portrait or A4 landscape, and each allows you to just pick one of the boxes with regard to maturity stage, pre-foundation, foundation, practitioner, or expert, and provide your comments. The tool is flexible. You're welcome to adopt it and make changes per your local country needs.